Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back at you with another powerful weight loss smoothie, y'all. Okay? Now, this isn't just a breakfast smoothie. This is a anytime you feel like it smoothie. Listen, it's powerful. It's full of fiber. It's full of antioxidants. It's full of nutrients, vitamins. It's powerful. And it's going to get your intestines stirred up. So these are awesome drink idea smoothies that are fast, easy to blend, get you out the house early. You can pre-cut these in the night and then throw them in the blender in the morning and you're on the go, okay? Let me show you what you're going to need for this wonderful weight loss smoothie. We're going to be needing 3 carrots, okay? Regular sized carrots is fine. These are, I guess you could say medium, all right? Medium, small, whatever you desire. You're also going to need a piece of ginger. Okay, I love ginger in my smoothies. That helps boost the metabolism up, which also helps with burning off calories. So, ginger root. You're also going to need a lemon. Okay, and of course, we're going to be using our cucumber today. Now, this I scrubbed and washed, so I'm going to be using the skin as well. You already know. You're going to need a full-size blender, of course. You can either use a juicer or a blender. Now, I know most of you may not have juicers, so we're going to be blending it, all right? This is just the same because it's going to liquefy all of these things down, so this is fine, okay? A high power blender is what you need. So what we're going to do is cut our lemon and de-skin it. We're going to take the peel off, okay? And it will look like this. Now I kept the seeds in there because honestly the seeds is fiber, extra fiber. Alright, so we're going to put that in our blender. Next, we're going to take our cucumber and we're going to just dice that up into pieces. And after that, you're just going to throw that inside of your blender. Okay? Next is also for the ginger root. Now this ginger root, I would say you would need about 2 inches of ginger root, which is good. De-skin it. If not, it's okay. Wash it, clean it very thoroughly, and just throw that whole thing in there. Okay? Just cut that into little pieces as well. Pop that in your blender. Pow! And lastly, we're going to chop our carrots. Okay, so I'm finished with chopping up my carrots. Pop that in my blender. And you're not even going to need any water because the cucumber is going to give off a lot of water. For this size cucumber, should give off at least 2 cups of fluid. Alright, so you're going to pop this on your blender. And like I said, for those of you who are interested in a full-size, powerful blender, this is not a sponsored video, but listen, I'm promoting this blender because I love it. You can look down below and also get this powerful NUTRIBULLET blender. I love it. Pop that on and let's blend. Okay, I'm back and this finished blending. Now, for those of you who may not like your smoothies kind of thick, you can also add in a little bit of coconut water. Now this smoothie seems to be just perfect, but I think I'm going to add in a little bit of coconut water just to give it that extra smoothness. So I'm going to add about 1 cup of coconut water. Now you can either add coconut water or regular water. That's up to you. So I'm going to blend this down a little bit more because I want it much smoother than this. All right, now this is more to my liking. Okay. One thing I like about this blender also that it has suction cups at the bottom, so it does not move until you move it. All right, now if you want, you can add some ice or you can drink it room temperature, but you get your Big Mama or Big Papa mug and you're good to go. Okay. And this made at least 1 liter of fluid. Now if you got a, what do you call it? A sports cup, a sports mug, that's good. There it is right there. That's very tasty. Very tasty. Like I said, you can throw some ice in there, give it a cool flavor, a cool taste, or you can drink it room temperature. Me, myself, I like room temperature drinks. All right, but there it is, your wonderful morning smoothie. Powerful, powerful, full of fiber, full of antioxidants, full of vitamins, nutrition. This is healthy. This is also a meal replacement. All right, so you can drink this instead of a breakfast. All right, in the morning time, sip it on your way to work. All you have to do is pre-cut your fruits and vegetables, put it in the refrigerator, and in the morning pop it in your blender and you're good to go. For those of you who keep telling me you don't have time, yes you do. Pre-cut those fruits and vegetables at night, and in the morning pop them in your blender, blend it up and get out the house. Okay, but this is awesome and you're going to see weight loss. Now when you use these drinks in the mornings, also throughout the day, eat very light meals, drink lots of water. Eat light, healthy meals. Stay away from your carbs. All the white stuff, stay away from it. All right? Stay away from the bread. Stay away from all the saturated fat stuff. Eat healthy and you will see results. Replace this with a meal. You have to have some self-control throughout the day when it comes to eating properly. All right? But these are wonderful meal replacement ideas that's going to help you along your weight loss journey. You're going to see results in your body. If you blend these up every day, you're going to see results. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and families who are also on a weight loss journey. Hit that like button. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. And when you do, select all. Okay, because this way you will not miss another one of these powerful weight loss videos. And like I said, you will see results in your body if you implement this in your everyday routine along with your exercise. So thank you so much for joining me. Also join me on my other channel, which is called Velvetlox. Over there I do hair care, skin care, family vlogs, some fashion hauls. I got all of that on that channel. Like, subscribe on that channel as well, and you will not miss another one of these wonderful videos. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.